Hey there, drone fans. Today is day one in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, am I excited. Now, before I get to the prize, I just spent the entire afternoon outside flying, and boy, are my arms tired. It's an old Henny Youngman joke. It still makes me laugh. Anyway, that's not the Christmas joke. That doesn't count. Here comes the Christmas joke. What do you call an entire lobby of nerds bragging about the best game of chess they've ever played? Chestnuts boasting in an open foyer. Now, I know I told that joke last year, but it's still one of my favorites. So tell it to your nerd friends. Oh, wait a minute, you're not a nerd? You're a nerd if you're watching this channel. So find a couple of friends, tell them that joke. I promise you they're going to giggle. Anyway, on the first day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Blink 2 Plus. That's right, it's an outdoor 2K Plus, which is their latest camera. You can pop it outside, put a couple of batteries in it. It's got the actual sync module as well, so you've got the entire system. You can set it up in about 10 minutes. You can stick it to the wall. You can look at the deer in your backyards. Who knows, you might even catch Santa heading up on the roof to slide down your chimney. And we're giving this away free of charge. No strings attached. All you have to do is look down in the description below. You'll see a link. If you hit the link, it'll bring up a form. Just put your name in there and your email, and that way we know how to get a hold of you. We'll draw a winner after 7 days. I'll send you an email. I'll say, hey, good news, you won the new Blink Outdoor 2K Plus. Just send us your address and we'll ship it to you. Again, no shenanigans. We don't ask for anything. We just put it in a box, send it off to you. A couple of days later, you're going to open the box. You're going to see this and be really excited because it's Christmas and it's the best time of year. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm promising you, I got 12 more days coming and I got some better jokes. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a good holiday season. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And until next time, as always, happy flying.